So my name is Irene Jansen, and I own and operate Hair Creations. My business is a hair salon, and so we take care of all women, men, and children's hair needs and scalps. And we align ourselves with a company called Aveda. For them as well as for us, it's really, really important that we are keeping our world and our environment as clean as possible. So my main focus in the salon is to offer the most luxurious experience that we can for our guests that come to the salon. My favorite part of having the salon and running a business is being surrounded with like-minded people, being surrounded with the energy of the young stylists that join our team here, training, teaching, being a leader, and just seeing them grow as a person and seeing their skill set grow, in the career that they've chosen. When you choose to work in a hair salon, to succeed, I think it attracts somebody that is fashion focused. They enjoy fashion, they enjoy trends in fashion, hair, and makeup. Also, in this business, it's really, really important that you love people, that you like to surround yourself with people, and your energy and their energy, that it can just bring them and you lots of joy and happiness. That is our biggest part of giving back to the community, is just being there for people. And then also we have done a little bit with charitable donations. We have worked with community care, mostly over Christmas, which was giving gift cards out for different people, different families, where they could come and enjoy the salon and have different hair services done from us. As well as one thing the girls, the staff here really has loved over the years is done the Christmas shoe boxes. So I have lived in the Lincoln community for a long time. Live right on the bench here in Lincoln, and I just love this area, love the people here, just love the growth that's been happening here in Lincoln. Of course, with having a hair salon, that means more people in the community, more people that we can service in the salon. So yeah, just love this area, and just really excited for what it all has and what's to come.